They came, I swatched them, I loved them.
Like, I was just so impressed.
That first order led to another and another and another order.
Hey loves, I am Deidre.
Hi, my name is Jennifer.
Hi, I'm Jeannie. So I bought a few colors, probably more than a few because I like colors, but I placed my first order and I was so excited for it to arrive. And when it got here, let me tell you, I was so impressed with the quality of the powders. Not only were they huge 2-ounce jars of product, they were amazing. They applied so well. The colors were even more stunning in person. Like, I was just so impressed that I probably immediately went back and placed another order because I needed all the colors. I needed more colors. I needed more products because if their dip powders were that good, of course their other products are going to be just as great as well. So I ordered gel polish colors. I ordered cat eye gel polishes. I ordered the mood changing gel polishes and some nail foils, and I had to try it all because I was just so impressed by them.
I had a full selection of their Dip and Dap powders, their gel products. I got the monomer and the dip liquids so that I could use the Dip and Dap either way. I bought a new lamp to go with my gel polishes. I got the Airbrush Mini, nail art stuff. I got stickers and gems and jewelry gel and painting gel, sculpture gel. I've got their Kolinsky brushes to use with the monomer and the powders. My favorite product of all, though, is the Model XS drill. This thing is amazing. I love this so much. It's my #1 product right there.
So I got my products. I was like, okay, I'm gonna order more. So I was only ordering gels starting out because I had been seeing the dips, but I just thought maybe they could only be used with monomer. So after seeing Marla swatch them on her channel, I went down the rabbit hole from that point, buying different dips. And I mean, I was ordering probably like 20-30 dips at a time, guys. And then once they got Afterpay, it was even worse. So got the dips, loved them, and I was always the one who was into the different cute little nail designs and stuff, but they couldn't really do it like that at the nail salon. So I'm like, here's my opportunity. Let me find out what I can get. So I started ordering foils and nail art brushes and things of that sort. I ordered me the Model X e-file. I got me a good LED lamp from iGel. Ordered the airbrush from iGel. So, you know, it was a long list of trying things.
They've all been amazing, and I learned after I started buying from them that they're actually a small business owned by 3 brothers, and that just made me fall in love with them even more because I love being able to support small businesses. I've always been a supporter, buying small when I can, especially in 2020, as tough as the year was. So being able to support them has just meant a lot to me. And I mean, they constantly come out with new things. They've come out with, since I've been buying from them, I think 2 different dip powder lines with hundreds of new colors. They've come out with new nail stickers, new nail foils, new nail art charms, and just like so many different things that they're constantly listening to our feedback, hearing what we want to see, doing their best to try to make those products a reality and make them available for us. They've got amazing customer service.
Their customer service is great. Every time I had a question, when I was learning about their products, they were always helpful. I love the fact that they are an American company started by veterans, and I've built a good relationship with them through their customer service.
I just appreciate this company because in the midst of a pandemic, they wanted to help out other people, help out other nail techs, other nail salons, so that they could still get the things that they were going to need to thrive after the pandemic was over. A lot of places were going up on prices of things. Not iGel. iGel said, look, we got y'all back. We got y'all covered. So even for the people like me who started dipping with the quarantine crew, they made it so affordable for us to be able to get different things to try. On top of that, the customer service is just A1. Even before becoming an admin and a brand ambassador for the company, like, I didn't have a bad word to say about iGel. They always take care of their customers. I just love everything about this company. And I encourage you to share your story. Let us know. Send us a video. Send us some pictures, let us know what it is that you love about the company, what drew you into the company, how you found the company, why you're staying with the company, why you prefer the company over other brands. Me personally, I prefer them over any other brand because their products are super easy to work with, especially the powders. Like, I don't have to worry about all the clumping. There's no excessive fouling and buffing that's needed to be done. And I want to say thank you, iGel. Thank you for the opportunity to be able to work with you guys in your group. Thank you for providing amazing customer service. Thank you for providing an exceptional sale to make it even possible for us to be able to do our nails the way we love to.
They've got a customer for life.
I will forever be a customer of iGels.
It's amazing.